Hey guys, it's Miss Williams and Miss Ambrose here, ready to go over our lesson 10, which is on comparing fractions. So this one should be a pretty easy one for us. We did this not too long before we left from school, so this should just all be a review. So are you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
All right. So we're going to be identifying fractions and equivalent fractions using models. So when it says using models, it's talking about pictures. So all of your questions today, including your IXL that we're going to have on here, are going to have pictures, and we're going to compare them. The first thing that we have to be able to do is we need to go through and we need to look at the question. And it says the model is shaded to show a fraction. So if you look at that, how many of those are shaded, Miss Williams?
There are two that are shaded.
Two that are shaded, so that's our numerator, and it's out of our total, which is 3. So we have 2/3 of that fraction is shaded, and we want to find out which one of these is equivalent to the same amount. So when we do equivalent fractions, remember, we use the butterfly method to compare them. So what you would do is you would write down the fractions for each one of these choices. So this first one is 3/6. B is 4/6. C is 2. Is that out of 6/2 again?
Mm-hmm.
And the last one is 6/6, or 1/2. So to do the butterfly method on this, we want them to be equal. So because it said which one is equivalent, and we're going to set it to be equal, and then we're going to do the butterfly method. So we would say 3 times 3 is
9.
And 6 times 2 is
12.
Is 9 equal to 12?
No.
Nope. So we know that A is not our correct answer. So then we're going to take our second one and we're going to set it equivalent to what we're trying to find, which is 2/3. And we're going to do the butterfly method on this one also. So we would say 4 times 3 is
12.
6 times 2 is
12.
Are those equal?
They are.
They are. So I'm pretty sure that that's the correct answer. Let's go ahead and check the last two just to double check. Make sure I didn't do anything wrong with my multiplication. So we have 2/6 is equal to 2/3. So we would do the butterfly method again. We would say 2 times 3 is
6.
6 times 2 is
12.
Or is that equal?
No.
Nope. So that's not the correct answer. So I can mark that one off too. So I've marked A and C off. And then we're going to set the last one, which is 1/2. We should know that 2/3 is not the same as 1/2, but we can always double check doing the butterfly method. So we would say 6 times 3 is
18.
6 times 2 is
12.
Are those equal?
Nope.
Nope. So we know that our correct answer was B. So if you are keeping track of these on a piece of paper, you would just put down number 37 and put the answer of B. Or if you were able to print off your own bubble sheet at home, you can go to find where it's at on the bubble sheet. You find number 37, bubble that answer of B in, and, oh, I just marked that on the wrong one, Miss Williams. Double check where you're marking.
Yep.
And mark it on the correct one.
All right.
Are we all good?
We are.
All right. So why don't you tell Miss Williams about our extra assignment today?
Okay, our extra assignment is going to be on IXL, and it's a 3rd grade lesson, and it's going to be Y1. So 3rd grade IXL math Y1.
And it's a 3rd grade skills, and we're using it as a review. So I think they should get 100 smart points.
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
All right. Well, I think that's all we have for you today. So we will see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.